Hello, this is Brian Glies with the Scott Insurance Agency. This particular video is going to go over homeowners insurance basics and how a price is determined for your homeowners insurance. So several components go into how much you pay for homeowners insurance, just like any other insurance product. One of those on your homeowners insurance is called the protection class that you live in. And basically that's how far are you away from the nearest firehouse. And is that firehouse a volunteer firehouse? Or is it staffed 24 hours a day, 7 days a week? What level of equipment is available to that particular fire department? And how far away are you from a fire hydrant, that all-important source of water? So the best rates can be found when your home is within 5 miles of a firehouse and 1,000 feet of a fire hydrant. When the local firehouses put a tax initiative on the ballot sometimes, that could be an effort to provide you a lower protection class in your area, which could affect your insurance rates by lowering your homeowner's insurance. So that's just a little nugget of information that you might keep your eye out on, and you might ask the fire department if it's going to impact the protection class of your particular community if that tax initiative were to pass. So we want to know all the things about your home. Let us know the specifics. We're going to ask about the size of your home in square feet, the type of flooring, the type of basement, whether it's a walkout or below ground, number of bathrooms you have, the construction grade, from standard construction to it's an absolutely custom bathroom or custom kitchen with granite countertops and custom cabinetry and all of those things. We have to be able to define what makes your house different from the house that's next door. So we have standard questions that we ask to generate a replacement cost for your home. If there's specifics about your home that we do not ask for and you feel are important, let us know. I typically always ask that question. It may be that you have a safe in the basement or a safe room or something to that effect. Just let us know about those details so that we can make sure that they are accounted for. So replacement costs. Why is my home insured for so much? Replacement cost is not a product of how much you purchased the home for. It doesn't have anything to do with how much your house appraised for, how much it would sell for. Replacement cost is the number the insurance company believes it will cost to rebuild your home after a catastrophic loss. The goal is for your daily activities to be as normal as possible while contractors repair/rebuild your home. So I hope you never experience a total loss. However, when my clients have, we use every bit of the insurance replacement cost on the policy. I've had some clients fight me on that replacement cost and say that's just too much to insure my home for. And it's my standard that I would rather lose the account to another insurance agency that's willing to insure that home for a lower value than I am to underinsure that home. Because at the time of a loss, no good can come from that if the home's underinsured. And that's something that we stand on pretty firmly here, but happy to have that discussion with you. Each company that we represent will put the replacement cost of your home at a slightly different value. So options, 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 and there's a ton of them. Whether you want earthquake or sewer backup, service line coverage, identity theft protection, jewelry riders, and there's just a lot more. Every single time we add one of those options, your price goes up a little bit. Now, when we write your policy, we include specific options that we think provide you valuable coverage. And we'll explain the riders that we have on your policy to make sure that you agree. And if you have a question about a rider, let us know. Is this offered? Because there's so many different riders out there. Some of them may be important to you, some of them may not. And we want to be careful, because if I want to say, well, a jewelry rider isn't that expensive, number one, it's not my money, it's yours. Number two, if I say that 5 times, now we've added up to quite a bit of money. So we want to be careful when we do that. We understand that the options in there only come to a level of importance at the time of claim, and we hope you never have a claim, but we want to make sure that we can say everything will be okay if you do. So an insurance score, your insurance score matters. It's a combination of your credit score, your claims history, and even payment history. Some people are okay with it and other people just absolutely hate it. However, it's a fact that the combination of all the above affects how much your insurance will cost you. Good news, bad news, time heals all wounds. Claims will eventually roll off. Credit can be improved. But when some people are like, I don't understand why all the people around me are paying this price, but my price is considerably higher, it could be due to your insurance score. So I haven't had any claims. Why did my rates go up? Rate increases happen. In a perfect world, if you didn't have a claim, your insurance would stay flat. But we don't live in that perfect world. You will see a general market adjustment of 3 to 5% each year on your homeowner's insurance. It's our general practice to shop your coverage with all of our providers. If your insurance increases more than 10% automatically, we don't even ask you about it. We just start shopping. When you watch the news and see wildfires, tornadoes, hurricanes, floods, and alien attacks, even if your home was not involved, your rates can be impacted. A specific singular company may have a terrible year with a lot of losses and increase their rates across the board. This is why as brokers we represent many different companies and we can move our clients as needed while continuing to place them with A-rated insurance companies. We don't want you to have a claim. We know that prices will fluctuate and we'll shop the market as needed to keep pricing competitive as possible. So in summary, what we do with your assistance, we'll design a policy so that when you call our office, we hope to be able to say everything's going to be okay. We need your help in providing us the information that we need to get all the necessary coverages in place. It's worth investing some time in the beginning of our relationship to make sure that your policy is set up correctly. As a broker, we want to be your primary point of contact when you have insurance questions or concerns. Just pick up the phone and call us. As brokers, our value is to be your representative to the insurance companies that we represent, taking the legwork out of shopping your insurance. So we're here to help before and after claims arise. We want to make sure that we're here to help manage expectations and provide you guidance at the time of need. So guys, thank you very much. Thank you for your time. Appreciate it. Please let us know if we can be of service. Visit our Facebook page, check out our website. We have our YouTube channel. You can reach me via email at the address there on the screen, bglies@scottagency.net, or you can give me a call at 636-456-8633. Hope this information has been helpful and appreciate the opportunity to work with you on your insurance. Bye-bye.